200 billion lang po ang gagamitin natin. Mabibigyan na ng 10,000 piso ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Kung gugustuhin talaga ng gobyerno, kaya po ito.
Doon sa 10,000 ayuda program, kung kaya ko lang silang bigyan ng tig 10,000, binigay ko na sa kanila. Di ba? Pero sa katotohanan, ito'y isang legislative proposal. We can suppress crime in 6 months.
You can suppress crime in 6 months.
Yes.
That is
Crime,
a promise
drugs,
the Duterte, Cayetano, or
And
Duterte
if we don't,
administration
by
is going to
December
make. Or
31,
is making.
2016, kung ibibigay sa amin ng Panginoon ang presidency, vice presidency, and December 31, 2016, hindi kayo makapaglakad ng safe sa mga kalye.
Alright.
Magre-resign kaming dalawa.
In fact, the President very candidly said he needs another 6 months. Pero let us be honest with ourselves. It is happening. The Philippines is becoming more like Singapore in terms of being able to walk the streets at any time at night.
If you go back to the transcript, ang sinabi ko, ang aspiration natin is maging safe ng Singapore at Japan at kahit saan pwede kang maglakad. At ang sinabi ko, aren't we a little safer now than when President Duterte came in? No? So I will repeat that. We sincerely believe that we are a little bit safer, pero malayo pa sa pagiging Singapore or Japan as far as safety.
We have enough time. I mean, kung yung budget na 4.1 trillion natapos natin ng isang buwan, di ba? Yung pa kayang franchise na siguro sobra, yung issues 2-3 hearings, sobrang exhaustive na yun. Po, sinasabi kong hindi urgent. Don't get me wrong, napaka-importante po ng franchise ng ABS-CBN. Hindi lang sa 11,000 empleyado. Importante ito sa buong bansa, sa demokrasya natin. Pero hindi ganun ka-urgent. Bakit? Kasi hanggang March 2022, pwede mag-operate eh. So I'm confident, pag nakita nyo na yung takbo ng hearing dito sa House, you will say, this is the way to do it. There are still a lot of facts that will come out later on that will show there was some lapses at the very mildness or at worst, na tumaya talaga ang ABS management for some candidates. We have the evidence for that. I really cannot imagine a Philippines or world without ABS-CBN. There is absolutely no reason na isara ang ABS. Actually, dapat on May 4 or 5, may hearing na. But what we want to, gusto namin paabot sa lahat ng viewers ng ABS-CBN, DZMM, sa lahat po ng mga empleyado, sa mga stars, directors, no? Wala pong move na isara ang ABS-CBN. Kung meron kaming authority na magbigay ng franchise for 25 years, bakit kaming walang authority na magsabing bawal nyo isara hanggang ma-grant namin yung hanggang makapag-final decision kami. Kung kailangan physically ako mag-on ng transmitter o pumunta doon, gagawin ko yan. Gagawin ni Chairman Chico yon. Dahil hindi naman tayo papayag that there'll be a single minute na hindi nag-broadcast ang ABS-CBN.
Wala pa ako narinig na endangered ang ABS na isara. At wala pa lang yung dahilan. So meaning after all of these hearings at isara, ibig sabihin gusto talaga kayong isara. Ibig sabihin gusto talaga kayong isara.